Soil investigation in Faridabad is an essential step in the construction process. It involves the study and analysis of soil properties to determine its suitability for construction purposes. Faridabad, being a rapidly growing city, has witnessed significant infrastructure development in recent years. As a result, soil investigation becomes crucial to ensure the stability and durability of structures built in the region. The soil investigation process in Faridabad typically involves several steps. First, a team of geotechnical engineers visits the construction site to collect soil samples. These samples are then tested in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. The tests may include soil classification, compaction, permeability, and shear strength tests. The results of these tests provide valuable information about the soil's behavior under different loads and conditions. The findings of the soil investigation play a critical role in the design of foundations and other structural elements. The type of foundation required for a particular structure depends on the soil's bearing capacity, settlement characteristics, and potential for soil liquefaction. By conducting a thorough soil investigation in Faridabad, engineers can make informed decisions regarding the design and construction process. SCON design, on the other hand, refers to the design of sconces, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures. Sconces are commonly used in both residential and commercial settings to provide additional lighting and enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space. The design of sconces involves careful consideration of various factors such as the desired lighting effect, the material used, and the overall style and theme of the room. When designing sconces, it is important to consider the functional requirements of the space. A crucial stage of the building process in Faridabad is a soil investigation. In order to establish whether a soil is suitable for construction, it is necessary to examine and analyze its qualities. Being a city with rapid population growth, Faridabad has seen tremendous infrastructure growth in recent years. Soil research becomes essential to guarantee the stability and longevity of constructions developed in the area. In Faridabad, the soil investigation procedure normally entails multiple steps. And first visit to the construction site is made by a team of geotechnical engineers to gather soil samples. The physical and mechanical qualities of these samples are subsequently evaluated in a laboratory. The evaluations could involve measurements of soil permeability, compaction, and shear strength. The outcomes of these tests yield insightful data about the behavior of the soil under. In Faridabad, a crucial stage of the construction process is a soil investigation. To establish whether a certain soil is suitable for construction, it entails researching and analyzing its qualities. Being a city with rapid population growth, Faridabad has recently experienced tremendous infrastructure growth. In order to guarantee the stability and longevity of structures developed in the area, soil study becomes essential. In Faridabad, there are often multiple processes involved in the soil investigation procedure. A group of geotechnical